Hi guys, today in this video I will show you Bluestacks 5 best setting for low-end PC. So let's start. The first step is Bluestacks own setting. To do this, first open the Bluestacks emulator and wait for it to open. Once it is opened, you have to open its setting to set it. To open its setting, just click on three dot icon and click on setting. In the setting, set the CPU allocation to how many cores you have and memory to custom and 1800 MB and performance mode to high performance and frame rate, enable high frame rate and set it to 120 FPS. Yeah, that's right. Now you cannot proceed to the graphics tab unless you restart the emulator. So restart it and then again proceed to the graphics tab. Once it is restarted, open the setting. In the graphic display tab, set it to landscape and 1280x720 and the next is not as usual, so you can set it as you want. And in the graphics setting to performance, because we don't need compatibility and DirectX is for high graphic card user, we need OpenGL and interface renderer to OpenGL. And software decoding, click on hardware and also prefer dedicated GPU. The rest of setting is not so important, so restart it. Step number 2 is graphics setting. To do this, in the search bar, search for graphics setting. Open the graphics setting. In the graphics setting, browse for Bluestacks emulator. I have already done it, but I will show you how to do it. Click on the browse button and then open the Bluestacks icon on the desktop. I have already done it, so it will not show for me. And then in the options, set it to high performance. Step number 3 is priority setting. This option can only be done when the emulator is open. You have to open the task manager and in the details tab, search for Bluestacks service. There it is. Right click on it and in its priority option, set its priority to high and change its priority. Step number 4 is power and sleep setting. To do this, in the search bar, search for power and sleep setting. Open it. In the right side, click on additional power setting. In the additional power setting, enable ultimate performance if you have. If you don't have, then set it to high performance. Step number 5 is game mode setting. To do this, search for game mode in the search bar. Sorry, I have mistyped it, so I will again type it. There it is. Open the game mode setting. Now make sure that game mode is enabled. The last step is startup apps. To do this, open the task manager. In the task manager, in the startup apps, disable all the startup apps. They are taking your memory if you don't need them usually. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and make sure to like the video. Thanks.